For over 60 years, fluid metering has been committed to providing the highest level of precise fluid control technology to the industries it serves. By carefully listening to market needs, products are improved continuously to meet these needs and exceed the market's expectations. Today, fluid metering specializes in offering an array of various services, support, and solutions, all designed to help life science companies achieve healthy outcomes as they work to build a better world. As the life science sector approaches the point of need level, a growing demand has emerged for the ability to control dispense volumes down to a single microliter, all while ensuring precision and accuracy. Currently, most conventional chemical analysis techniques are done using syringe pumps. These pumps are incredibly complex, requiring dozens of moving components to achieve the desired resolution and control. This added complexity results in microfluidic devices that are inconsistent and require significant maintenance. Today's demanding microfluidic applications require a balance between performance, stability, and responsiveness. Introducing the FMI Direct Drive, a compact, linearly driven ceramic piston pump, capable of dispensing down to 1 microliter with exceptional precision and accuracy. A vastly optimized driving mechanism means the direct drive has only 4 moving components. Plus, FMI's patented Ceram pump technology ensures a longer lifetime and superior chemical inertness to anything on the market. An extremely fine-pitched, high-precision lead screw means the FMI direct drive piston has a linear resolution of under 0.2 of a thousandth. And a built-in rotary encoder allows for accurate positional feedback with a resolution of less than 0.1 degrees. All of this with a more efficient and robust design for easy setup and low maintenance. The ease of use and more accurate technology of direct drive addresses some of the industry's most challenging requirements. Serving a variety of markets, the direct drive pump is where technology and engineering come together to provide a solution for all users who will benefit from it for years to come. From medical devices, biotechnology, diagnostics, and analytical devices, there is no shortage of advantages when it comes to using fluid metering's direct drive pump.